The given equation is f of x equals x squared minus 2. Let of f x equals x squared minus 2. X of f x is 0, 1, 2. F of x is negative 2, negative 1, 2. Our first iteration is f of 1 equals negative 1 is less than 0, and f of 2 equals 2 is greater than 0. Now root lies between 1 and 2. x1 equals 1 plus 2 over 2 equals 1.5. F of x nor x1 equals 1 plus 2 over 2 equals 1.5. F of x1 equals f of 1.5 equals 1.5 squared minus 2 equals 0.25 is greater than 0. Our second iteration, here f of 1 equals negative 1 is less than 0, and f of 1.5 is equals 0.25 is greater than 0. Now root lies between 1 and 2, 0.25. 0.25 is greater than 0. x1 equals 1.1.5 plus over 2 equals 1.25. f of xi equals f of 1.25 equals 1.25 squared minus 2 equals 0.375 is greater than 0 is greater than 0 is less than 0. Third iteration is f of 125 equals 1.0 equals negative 0.4375 is less than 0, and f of 1.5 equals 0.25 is greater than 0. Now root lies between 1.25 and 1.5. X2 equals 1.20 plus 1.25 plus 1.25 over 2 equals 1.375. Our fxi equals f of x f of 1.375 equals 1.375 squared minus 2 equals negative 0.1094 is less than 0. Fourth iteration here, f of 1.375 equals negative 0.1094 is less than 0, and f of 1.5 is 0 equals 0.25 greater than 0. Now root lies between 1.35, 1.375 and 1.5. Our x3 equals 1.375 plus 1.5 over 2 equals 1.4375. 1.4375. fxi equals f of 1.4375 equals 1.375 squared minus 2 equals 0.0664 is greater than 0. Our fifth iteration is f of 1.375 equals negative 0.094, and f of 1.4375 equals 0.664 is greater than 0. Now root lies between 1.375 and 1.375. x4 is 1.375 plus 1.4375 over 2 equals 1.4062. f of x4 equals f of 1.4062 equals 1.4062 squared minus 2 equals 0 equals negative 0.225 is less than 0. Our sixth iteration here, f of 1.4 0.062 equals negative 0.225 is less than 0, and f of 1.4375 equals 0.0664 is greater than 0. Now root lies between 1.4062 and 1.4375. Rx5 equals 1.4062 plus 1.4375 over 2 equals 1.4219. Rx5 equals 14.219 equals 1.219 square 2 192 squared minus 2 equals 0.217 is greater than 0. Our seventh iteration here, f of 1.4062 equals 1.4062 equals 0 equals negative 0.225 is less than 0, and 14.2192. Our sixth, our xx, our x6 equals 1.062 plus 1.4219 over 2 equals 1.44. Our f of x6 equals f of 1.14 equals 1.141 squared minus 2 equals 0.004 is greater than 0. Is it 2 equals negative 0.004 is less than 0.